In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Facebook account with Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to facebook.com and hit search. Now, once you're here, you're going to be taken to Facebook's login page. Now, there should be a little box here that will say email address or phone number and password. So go ahead and put in your Gmail inside of this field and then your password inside of here and then click onto login. Now, for whatever reason, if you've forgotten your password, that's okay. We can click on that forgotten password button. From here, enter in your Gmail and then click search. Then from there, follow the steps that more than likely going to give you a 6 or 8 digit verification code to your Gmail account to go ahead and reset your password. Also, if we go back to the login page, now if you linked your Facebook to your Google account, you might also see an option to log in with Google here. In that case, choose your Gmail from the pop-up and follow the on-screen steps. Make sure you're typing your Gmail exactly as it's registered in Facebook settings, including at gmail.com part.